between Barack and a hard place. The change has come to Washington, and it's been a long time coming. But the honeymoon will be over soon. Let's get things up and running. It's evident our president has wisdom and compassion. He's well equipped for leadership and does it all in fashion. But if we dare to truly care for the future of our nation, we can't deny or shut our eyes to the problems that we're facing. A couple wars on other shores, a stretched out military. But of the two, I wish we knew one wasn't necessary. The way our money is acting funny, our dollars don't make sense. We must maintain despite the strain as it gets more intense. The skies and seas are not at ease as nature gives us warning. We must reverse the man-made curse we've caused in global warming. There's immigration, race relations, keeping our union strong. Let's not forget the terrorist threats. The list goes on and on. Certainly Obama is aware of this drama. It's heavy on his shoulders. Only his wife could know his plight. I'm sure he must have told her. To help him bring the many things we wish that we'd be seeing, let's understand he is one man, a single human being. Barack is just the catalyst to make our hopes come true. But in the end, our fate depends on works from me and you. If you like what you've heard, simply go online to Amazon or Barnes & Noble and type right in front of you.